love. I get so lost sometimes. Days pass and this emptiness fills my heart. When I want to run away, I drive off in my car. But whichever way I choose, I come back to the place you are. And now my instincts, they return, and the grand facade so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside. Oh, 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 oh. In your eyes, the light, the heat, I am complete. I see the doorway to 1,000 churches and resolution of all my fruitless searches. For I see the light and the heat. Yes, I want to be that complete. I want to touch the light, the heat I see in your eyes. Love, I don't like to see so much pain, so much wasted, and each moment is slipping away. Well, I get so tired, working so hard for our survival. But I look to these times with you, and it keeps me awake and alive. And all my instincts, but they return, and the grand facade so soon will burn. Without a noise, without my pride, I reach out from the inside. Oh, 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 in your eyes, the light, the heat, I am complete. I see the doorways to 1,000 churches and resolution of all my fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. Yes, I want to be that complete. I want to touch the light, the heat I see in your eyes. Ooh, in your eyes. Ooh, in your eyes, yeah.
Hey, where are you at? Did it happen? All right, man. Thanks, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of the evening, Dan Byrne and friends, Shy and Dan, going to take care of things for you. I appreciate your hearts and your ears and the time we've shared. Be well until I see you again. Thank you, lights and sound. I appreciate it. Thank you. Couldn't have done it without you. Good night, Vogel.